morning to all. I am Karansi. I am brown with green in color. I have rough structure and I am bitter in taste. My benefits are I will help in proper digestion and respiratory relief. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today I am going to act as a fancy. I am fancy. I am green in color and sweet in taste. I am rough in texture and I am a part of a seed. My benefits are people use me for proper digestion. Thank you.
I am fenugreek. I am yellow in color. My texture is rough. My taste is bitter. Fenugreek is like a tiny powerhouse of goodness. Weight loss is helping with weight management. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Cinnamon. I am in brown in color. It is a part of food. It relieves from tooth pain. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Ashtika. Today I am going to act as a cardamom. I am green in color. I am sweet in taste. I am seed of the plant. I am soft in texture. We can use as a mouth freshener. Thank you.
I am fenugreek. I am seed of the plant. My color is yellow. Benefits. Fenugreek is like a tiny powerhouse of goodness. Weight loss is helping with the weight management. Thank you.
I am ginger. My color is brown. I am tasting. My taste is bitter. I am a part of the root. My structure is hard. My benefit are people have used in spices and help digestion. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Chloe. There are many topics about speaking with me. My color is thick brown to reddish brown. I taste spicy, warm and slightly sweet. I am a part of an unopened flower bud of the clove tree. I have many benefits and even I cure the teeth pain. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Bailey. I am brown in color. I am using for biryani. Thank you.